In this video I'm going to show you how to create a super vitamin C power smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism and load you up with high levels of vitamin C. I will explain the benefits of having this super vitamin C power smoothie as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 6 simple ingredients that you can either find in your local grocery store or you will have them around your home. And these ingredients are 1 carrot, 1 cup of lime juice, 1 small orange, 1 cup of chopped pineapple, and half a cup of fresh strawberries, and 1 glass of water. Once you have everything ready, add all the contents to a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy smoothie drink is packed with enough vitamin C that is perfect for sustained energy levels throughout your day. And it will help you to have a lot more energy, and it will also allow you to have better skin. So this is a super simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised at how good it actually tastes. And it will kickstart your day, satisfy your appetite, while leaving you feeling fully energized. And again, if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.